Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. No, today what I will discuss is one of the app, no, or platform, basically in your accounting. No, so for me, ito yung pinakamadali, no, particularly for recording, measuring, no, accounting, 'di ba? Ngayon, very important is what you call accounting system, no? Like we have SAP, we have QuickBooks, no? We have GL system. But for me, FastTax is the one that will makes your accounting make easy, no? Accounting make easy kaya nga, 'di ba? FastTax make easy. All right. And also, I am also very proud, that the FastTax is the platform, no, of dear students of De La Salle University Manila, and also as part of their advisor, no, or advisor, we have this fast tax so that you can be able also to help you, no, especially in accounting. Kasi ngayon, yes, it is very important that you can be able to record, you can be able to prepare your FS, no? Pero ang tanong dito is how you can be able to prepare it easily, 'di ba? So that's why we have here what you call the fast tax. Okay. So today what I will do is just run down about the informations, no, or about some of the highlights. Ano ba ang nandito, no, sa ating fast tax, fast tax accounting made easy. Sige. We begin with, of course, number one is about uh, email address and your password, 'di ba? Siyempre, I have with me here already my email, no, and also my password. All right. So ito class, no, the fast tax, no. So if you notice, I have with me here my ARS CPA review, no. Uh, if ever after, no, after log in, no. So if you have this AR or the ARS CPA review center, no, so you can put your company name, all right, particularly for your fast tax. So una muna, so gagawin natin is about cash sales, no. So by the way, so, so if you notice, no, nandito lahat yun, mga informations, no, particularly for your FS, no, lahat yan ay nasa informations, no, for the FASTA. So, napakadali niya. You have your, of course, number one is you have your cash sales, no, you have your account receivable, you want to create quotations, customers, no, you have also your expense and purchase like the inventory purchase, your accounts payable, the suppliers list and expenses. And also, please take note, ha, nandito rin yung tinatawag nating financial accounting, no, the chart of accounts, if you want to create chart of accounts. And also, very important here is about manual journal, no, and also we have our FS, no. You have also here product services, no, like the product and services, product services categories, and we have our inventory management. Alright, so unang-una, gagawin muna natin yung cash sales, no. If you notice, you have here, wala pa yan class, no. So, let's say you have your new receipts, okay? So, meaning to say, ano bang ang silbi ng receipt, no, in terms of accounting? Alright, so go back sa ating discussions, no? Sa mga discussions ko, so sa aking mga YouTube channel, no? Ano ba ang kahalagahan ng new receipts, no? This new receipt is you can be able to record cash sales, no? You can also record here yung tinatawag nating cash collections. Okay? So, but for now, we are more into your cash sales, no? So, una-una, customers account. Kaya lang, wala pa tayong customers account. Let's say, I want to create Lopos store, no? Let's say, Lopos store is our customer account. If you notice, there would be create here, no? So, kung wala pa naka-record, you create Lopos Core. So, halimbawa, first name niya. So, Mr. Of course, my name. Sir Michael, no? So, you have here Michael. The last name here is Lopo. Let's say, company name niya ay, let's say, Lopos Enterprise. So, you can have this one, no? So, Lopos Enterprise. Alright, so display name, Mr. Lopo ba or Lopos, bahala kayo, no? Magpili, no? So, Mr. Michael Lopo, Michael Lopo, okay. So, bahala kayo, no? So, customer email, kung ano yung customer email niya. You can put also his number, no? So, di ba napakadali niya, no? Currency natin is Philippine peso. Opening balance, sabihin natin class, you have 10,000 here, okay? So, may 10,000 tayong balance, eh. Okay, so save natin. Alright, so that would be your new receipt already. Alright, so ibig sabihin, reference number or bawa receipt number 001, yun yung una mong receipt number and reference number, let's say, based on journal entry number 1. So you can have journal entry number 1. Okay, so enter an item. So ano ba yung item natin, no? So particularly, so if you click that, enter the products, please take note, or services you sell, or buy to keep track what you sold or purchase. Eh kung kayo class ay services lang, o anong binebenta mo sa kanila? Of course, your service. Alright, so lalagay mo dito, no? Yung product and services, your description, your quantity, and magkano. Yan. So you can save naman, no? In particular for this. So if you are done, you can be able to save and close or save as draft or reset. Or you can have cancel na lang. Alright, so ganun lang ha. Particularly about your items, no, particularly for your new receipts. Sige. We go first with, okay, so babalik tayo kanina, no? So you have your cash sales, okay? You have also here your account receivable. Alright, so if you notice, so wala pa tayo class, no? Wala pa tayong money, no? So ganun din ha. So same as kanina, no? Particularly for the sales invoice, okay? So, cancel muna tayo. Siguro mas maganda, gawin muna natin. Okay. If you notice also, sige, we can also run down now, particularly for this. You have an items adjustment. Alright, so you have your sales, okay, your estimates, you have your invoices, you have your receipts. Alright, you have your payment estimates. You have purchase here. Okay, so basically your invoice credit, your payment made, no? Okay, you have also your contacts, yun yung mga contacts natin class, customers mo yan or vendors. We have your financial, no? If you notice, may mga manual, journal, no? Then account chart, no? Okay? Tax rates also, or make journal entry. Then also, we have cash flow, cash bank, cash in bank accounts, add money out. Okay, so malamang dito muna tayo sa cash flow, no? Kasi yan yung pinakauna natin gagawin. Okay? Of course, yung cash flow natin, particularly your cash in bank. So, ito na yung class, no? If you notice, meron na yung nakaset up. Diba? So, you have your bank account, your savings bank account, no? So, you have undeposited funds, and also we have our petty cash. Alright, so nandito na lahat yun, no? Particularly for, halimbawa, you want to add cash, no? So, add cash account. Just put here cash. And then account name, let's say cash pa din, no? Okay? Then account code, if you notice, bank account is 1001, savings bank account is 1002, undeposited is 1003, and 1004 naman is your petty cash, no? Ito naman, in terms of the account code, since you have 1004, let's say 1000 na lang, no? 10000. Alright, so sub-account, wag na, no? Hindi naman sa sub-account. Alright, yung currency mo, syempre, Philippine peso. So, but of course, it would depends on your company, ha? Alright, so you have your submit, okay? So, ibig sabihin, you have now here your cash, no? There you go, no? Madali lang siya, no? Particularly on how you will be able to add your cash, your bank account, alright, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, meaning to say, no? So, we go one by one here, no? So, if you have your cash, let's say you have your cash account, add money in, no? So usually in accounting, ano ba yung ating gagawin? Of course, owner's contribution. Alright? Magkano ba ang ating ini-invest sa company? Let's say, 1 million. So, ibig sabihin, you debit here cash, and you credit here owner's account, no? Equity account, hindi siya retained earnings, hindi siya opening balance. Of course, it is part of your owner's equity. Reference number, let's say journal entry number 1. Or you can put description, no? Owner's investment. Okay? So you put here owner's investment. All right. So if you notice, that would be your first entry for today. Owner's investment. Yan. Kulang ng T. Yan. Okay? So save and publish. Now if you notice, your entry for this one is you have your owner's contribution, journal entry number 1, 1,000 and 1,000. Oh, halimbawa class, no? By the way, if you go to this journal, no? Reports muna, no? So you can go, sorry, hindi reports. You can go to sorry, financials, no? As part of the manual journals. Wala pa tayong journal dito, no? So wala pa pala, no? All right. So uh meaning to say, as part also of your cash flow. Alright, so babalik tayo doon kanina, no? If you notice, there would be a bank account already, no? So owners, contribution, transaction order number 1, then you have journal entry number 1, then you have your deposits, and you have your balance of deposits. Sige. We go first with our entry, no? So dapat there would be an entry here, particularly for your financials, no? Alright, so ito kasi class is about manual journals, no? Hindi ito. Alright, so maybe we go to this cash flow. Alright, so particularly for your cash and bank account, diba? Ito yung kanina, if you notice, uh, there would be a cash now which is at 1,000. Okay? Alright, so if you go to the reports, no? Alright, and you go to journal, if you notice, yan na. Alright, so ito yung kanina, no? Di ba ginawa natin? Di ba if you notice, no? Yung kanina, customers opening balance, you have your account receivable, it is worth 10,000 and you have other income. Okay? So, by the way, so dapat hindi yan other income, no? It should be, okay, it should be sales, no? So, you can go back, no, to the account receivable. Ito rin yung naman yung kanina. So, owner's contribution, if you notice, there would be cash of 1,000 and we have owner's equity of 1,000. Plus, if you notice, madali lang siya, no? Parang accounting, no? That's why accounting, fast tax accounting made easy. Alright. So, yan, no? So, madali lang siya, particularly for this, no? So, babalikan natin yung account receivable kanina, no? Especially about our entry, no? Kasi, hindi dapat siya other income, no? It should be sales. Okay, sige. Mamaya na lang yan, no? So, we go first with the home page, no? Particularly your account receivable. Although kanina, ginawa ko na pala is hindi ko siya pwede ko siyang i-delete, no? Particular. Sige. We go first with our cash flow again, no? So, we have your cash, okay? So, your cash. So, halimbawa, class, of course, cash, may mga time din that you want to withdraw money. So, or add money out. Of course, it will be part of your owner's drawing. Okay? So, part siya ng ating owner's drawing. Let's say, out of 1 million, nag-withdraw tayo ng 200,000. So, ano yung entry natin sa ating accounting? Okay? So, yung ating entry sa ating accounting ay owner's drawing and we have our cash. So, malamang equities account, it will become part of your drawings. Diba? Then, reference number, let's say journal entry number 2. Alright. And so, withdrawal by the owner. So, I will put here, withdrawal by the owner. Okay? Withdrawal by the owner. So, we have here save and publish. Yan. So, if you notice class, magkano na yung pera natin? 800 na, no? We go first with our reports para makita natin yung ating journal entry. Now, if you notice, ano yung entry? Yung entry natin ay, ito class ay baliktad, no? Alright, so you have your drawings of 200 and we have cash of 200,000. Okay? So, in this system, medyo baliktad lang siya, no? Particularly for, of course, yung ating, dapat yung ating debit, which is at 200,000. Medyo baliktad lang yung ating entry. So, dapat mauuna muna, no? We go back to our accounting. Ano bang sinabi sa accounting? Dapat mauuna muna yung ating debit, which is drawings muna, and we have our cash. So, maybe because of the reason is, of course, nauna kasi yung system kasi class is about the drawing itself. Okay. At least you know the concept, no? Particularly for this one. So you can have print it, export, no, in your Excel, by the way. All right, so we go back again with our cash flow. All right, so in terms of your cash flow, babalik tayo dito class sa cash natin. O halimbawa naman gusto natin ay money out and to transfer to our account, 'di ba? If you notice kanina, we have already account, no? So ano nangyari? All right, so we have already our account, no? Especially about your BDO, no? We have also here ito. So you have BDO. So how about money out? We just transfer it. Let's say out of 1 million, we will just transfer 100,000. Let's say transfer to account. Saan mo ilalagay? Let's say lalagay mo sa savings bank account. Okay? Or let's say BDO or any other bank account mo na lang, no? Bank account, reference number, journal entry number 3. Alright, so transfer, let's say you want to transfer to BDO, no? Although pwede naman natin tong uh, pwede natin siyang uh, pwede natin siyang i-edit, no? So class, if you notice, if you go to the reports, no? And we have our journal, yan. So, yun ka, nauna talaga yung ating cash, no? It should be, dapat mauna muna yung, so ibig sabihin, it is transferred to our bank account of 100,000 and we have cash of 100,000. So, we go back to this. If you notice, you have balance. Alright. So, if you go to, for example, although hindi pa siya kompleto, ha, punta ka sa balance sheet, malamang meron na yung balance, no? If you notice, you have already your balance sheet, no? Napakaganda ng ating system. Alright, so if you have your balance sheet, if you notice, yung assets mo and current assets mo, you have your cash of 700,000. In terms of the bank account, you have 100,000. You have your account receivable of 10. And we have our current assets of 810 and assets naman of 810. And we have owner's equity of 1 million. Then we have drawings and you have net income already. No? Although net income kasi it is your other income, no? So wala pa tayong mga expenses. Right? And we have our equity. Di ba class? For me, it is one of the best, no? Baka talunin pa ng fast tax yung SAP. It is easy to understand and you have already the software. No. All right. So, let's see if there would be a cash flow. A trial balance, for sure. You have trial balance, no? So, although lahat ito class ay lahat ito ay part, no, ng ating mga transactions, no? So, although hindi siya, hindi, ang ginawa kasi natin class is may balance na kaagad, no? Alright? So, if you notice here, profit or loss, malamang yung income lang or other income. Okay? Sige. We go back to our sales. Okay? So, what if you have an invoice here? So, sales invoice natin, customers account, si Mr. Lopo pa rin. Okay? So, reference number, invoice number 001. Then, we have our reference number. Let's say journal entry number 4. Okay? So, magkano class o ano ba yung enter an item? Halimbawa, ikaw ay nagpo-produce ng ano ba ba? Siomai na lang, no? Siomai. Okay. Ikaw ay ARCPA pala to, no? Let's say ARCPA review, let's say tuition fee. Yan. So, tuition fee. Okay? So, you can add this one, create this one, tuition fee. Create an item. Item name is tuition fee. Alright, yan. So, item code, let's say 30004. Alright, select a category. So, yan. So, selling price, let's say, ang aming tuition ay 16,000 for example. Cost price, let's say, cost of goods sold mo, selling price mo ay 16,000 each, no, per student. Let's say, yung cost price mo, syempre, benta mo ay 16, or let's say, half lang, 8,000. And it will become part of our cost of goods sold, no? So, sales of a product income, no, service income siya. Ito naman ay cost of sales. Although, kasi hindi naman siya cost of goods sold kasi wala naman tayong Or you can add lang. Pwede naman add, you can add, no? O, sige, cost of goods sold na lang muna for the meantime, no? Tax rate, oh, please take note of this, no? In terms of the tax rate, kompleto yan, class, no? So, kasi ito subject to withholding tax. So, ano muna tayo? Huwag na muna yan, no? We can have, ano muna, blank, no? So, depende kasi yan. So, ibig sabihin, we have tuition fee. Yan, this one, okay? So, description, of course, it is for review. Let's say, for the CPA review. Okay? Yan. So, 16,000. Quantity, isang estudyante lang. Wala tayong discount. Okay? Save and deliver. Yan. So, if you notice, meron na tayong, okay. By the way, meron pala tayo dito, class. Pwede natin i-set up, no? Particularly for, kailan ba siya magbabayad, no? So, sorry, 0 day pala to. Ibig sabihin, pag-deliver pala. Sorry, pag-deliver. So, yan. So, journal entry number 4. If you go again to this journal, nandyan ulit yan. Yan. So, tinan mo, class, yung entry. You debit, account receivable of 16,000, then sales of service income, you have 16. Ano muna tayo? Isa lang, no? Para madali natin. Malamang madami yan, no? Okay. Halimbawa, that would be your sales, no? Alright. If you go to this profit or loss statement, if you notice, there would be a service income already of 16 and wala pa tayong cost of sales, di ba? Then also we have our gross profit of 16 and we have our other income of 10. Okay. Sige. Malamang sa cost flow, wala pa tayong cost. Mayroon na pala, no? Yung ating kanina, no? So, yung cash. Pero, mas maganda kasi in terms of the report, kasama yung ito, cash flow statement. If you notice, napasaan ba yung cash flow statement? We go back to our definitions of our cash flow. We're in. We have an operating activities, we have financing activities, and we have investing. If you notice, wala pa tayong investing. Bakit? Wala pa naman tayong investment, no? Ano nga yung operating? No? Go back to our definitions. Pag sinabing operating, it is your day-to-day operations. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng investing? It is your investment, no? What do you mean of financing? Dalawa lang yan. Whether it is a debt financing or an equity financing. If you notice here, you have here your ito, financing, no? Okay, 800,000. So, you mean to say, class, magkano yung cash mo? You have here 800,000. 'Di ba? Napakaganda ng system nito, no? Alright. So, we go first with our expenses. Purchase muna tayo, no? Although yung purchase natin, let's say, kasi nga, we are service eh. Wala naman tayong purchase, no? So, maybe leave it blank na lang muna, no? Pero if you are into, pero we can have that naman, no? So, ano yung mga nandito? Mga bills, yan. So, new bill, if you notice, lalagay mo dito yung mga new bill natin. Ano ba yung ating ita-charge, no? So, particularly. Alright? And then, we have also here, if the purchase is also, we have vendor credits. Alright, so nandito lahat, no? Sino ba yung mga vendor natin? Sino ba yung ating mga suppliers? Okay? It is part also of our inventory. Okay, sige. O, pwede naman. Sige, let's say we have new vendor credit, no? Alright, sorry. Let's say nag-ano tayo. Para lang mas mabilis, no? January 5, malamang purchase to. Sige, let's say nagbenta ka ng siomai, no? Or nagbenta ka ng, or ano kaya pwede? Halimbawa, sige, yung purchase books na lang, no? Halimbawa, ARSCPA review ay nagpo-purchase ng books. Alright, so, ibig sabihin, you have here books. Okay? Let's say accounting book. So, I will put here accounting book. Okay, item code, let's say 300. Bahala kayo ha. Let's say it will start at 4 na, no? 4001. No? Halimbawa lang. Alright, so you have, let's say, makano ba yung libro? 500 pesos lang, no? Ito naman ay hindi siya sales, right? So, kasi ito ay purchase na, no? So, in terms of our purchase, alright, Pwede rin pala, no? Kasi bumili ka ng libro. Alright, so kalas ha, bahala kayo ha. So, in terms of this, pwede siyang inventory asset siguro. Hindi rin, no? Alright, sige, pwedeng inventory assets. Yan. Tapos, of course, yung ating, ano, yan. So, save. Alright, so save natin. Okay ba tayo? This one. Cost, let's say 200. Okay? Yan. Yan. So, if you notice, there would be an item. Let's say, accounting book. Alright, yan. Description, 500. Then save. Ay, select vendor account. Or let's say, National Bookstore. National Bookstore. Diba? Napakadali lang, no? Alright, so, ay, yan. Vendor name is required. First name, NBS na lang. NBS Lopo. You have here, National Bookstore. So, you can put National Bookstore. And, alright, so display name, NBS Lopo. No? So, yan. Save. Alright, so this one, National Bookstore ang ilalagay natin. Ayan, ay, patayaw. Okay, hindi ba na-save? Na-save to kanina ha. NBS. So, you have here NBS Lopo. Ako na yung may-ari ng National Bookstore ha. Alright, NBS Lopo. No? Save. Alright, so select vendor name. National Bookstore. Ba't ayaw? Alright. Kasi nag-create naman tayo kanina, no? Alright. Salutation, Mr. NBS. And we have here Lopo, no? The National Bookstore, display name, Mr. NBS Lopo. Sige, I will put bakal because of this. Alright, then we have save. The vendor has been successfully created. Alright, so this one. Okay. So, sino ba? Okay. Ito na, sorry. Yan. Vendor name details. Okay, vendor name is required. Yan, ito na. Yan. National Bookstore, accounting book, and we have 500. So, save and open. Alright, so ibig sabihin class, pag pumunta ka dito, alright, so in terms of your reports, no, make journal entry, ganun din. So, cost of goods sold mo, and we have accounts payable. Sorry, mali yung ano ko. Dapat it should be purchase, no? Especially about, yan, should be di, mali kasi yung nilagay ko, should be, mali kasi vendor's credit, no? So, maybe we can do purchase, alright? Bills pala dapat, or new purchase invoice, no? Dapat pala bills, no? Alright, so ano yung mga new bills natin? Alright? Hindi. Pero tayo sa purchase, okay? Dapat pala, no? Sorry, mali ako. Should be new purchase invoice, no? Hindi new bill to class, no? Again, NBS Lopo. Alright, and then biller's number. Halimbawa, number 1. Okay, reference number, journal entry number 5. Alright, yan. Let's say accounting book pa din, no? So, you have accounting book for 001. Description, wala na yan. So, you have 200 pesos here. Save and open. Yan. So, if you go to the reports and journal entry. Alright. So, ito yung baliktad na, no? So, you debit cost of goods sold, and we have our accounts payable, no? So, automatically, ito ay part na ng ating cost of goods sold kasi yan ay naibenta na kasi, no? So, particularly for the purchase, we assume that the purchase is part already of our cost of goods sold, no? So, maraming maging negative to, no? Maging negative. By the way, if you notice, as part also of your number, no? There would also be some of the account cost. Siguro kulang pa to. Pag negative kasi yung ating cost of goods sold. So, isa pa, no? Purchase pa din. Okay? New purchase invoice. Let's say, number 2 billing. Lakihan natin. Kasi ang mangyayari kasi class, ay maging negative yung ating cost of goods sold, no? So, accounting book pa din, ha? Again, ha, bahala kayo, ha? Alright? Let's say, quantity mo ay, let's say, 5, no? So, malaki na yan, no? 1,000 na yan. So, save and open. Select invoice, si Mr. Lopo pa din. Alright, save and open. Okay? So, if you go to the reports, if you notice here, journal entry, again, now we assume that the purchase is now part of your cost of goods sold. Okay. O, tama na, no? So, if you go now, although hindi dapat ganun ha, dapat part mo na siya ng ating inventory. If you go to the balance sheet already, so madami na, may account receivable na tayo. We have our liabilities na utang natin of 700. Then we have our equity, which is under equity, is you have sub, which is your owner's equity and drawing. Diba? Ang ganda, no? Also, if you go to the reports, pwede tayo part of the profit or loss. O, kaya nga class ginawa ko 1,000 kasi magne-negative ang cost of goods sold. Unusual yan. O, if you notice, magkano na yung ating net income? You have now 25,300. Alright? Go back again, go back to our also as cash flow statement. Yan, ito rin. So, yung ating, wala naman nangyari, no? So, cash at the end is you have an 800,000. Alright, ano pa? How about naman aging summary? Si Mr. Lopo lang naman. So, hindi pa naman siya as of May 4. Dito class, no, in terms of the aging of AR, so, you will just monitor sino ba yung mga past due natin, sino ba yung current na nagbabayad, or sorry, sino yung current natin, no? Then, if you notice here, we have 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and over. Diba? If you notice, you can be able to monitor. Diba? This is how beautiful, no, is our system. AP naman, yung utang natin, si Mr. Lopo na naman, no? So, at least you can be able mo- uh, uh, to have or to monitor your accounts payable and AP summary, no? So, you have purchase by items, pwede mo makita yan, yung mga pinurchase natin, if you notice, no? Yan, and so on and so forth. If you notice, you have sales by items, customer transactions, vendor transactions, and so on and so forth. How about naman para sa expense? Ito class, wala pa tayong expense na nilalagay, no? Para kompleto na natin yung ating expense. Select accounts. Halimbawa, you have the expense, alright, other expense na lang or office expenses. Let's say 100 of course, Philippine peso. Reference number, journal entry number 7. Alright, then select vendor account. Mr. Lopo na naman. Okay, so office, let's say ito ay coupon bond. Let's say office expense pa din. Alright, office expense. Yung amount niya, 100 lang. Ayan. So, then, save and publish. Okay? Ano pa? Yung expense pa din. Let's say, yung expense mo ay depreciation. Nag-depreciate ka ng 500 pesos ng inyong property, plant and equipment. Expense category, again, depreciation expense. Magkano yun? 500. Ade. Amount is worth 500. Alright? Then, we have description. Let's say, ACDEP mo yan, accumulated, sorry, yan ay depreciation mo ng inyong equipment. Alright, so depreciation ng ating equipment. Okay? So, ganun lang. Okay? So, you have here 500. Save and publish. Para na makompleto lang natin yung ating income statement. Now, if you notice, if you go to this profit or loss, yan. Uy, ba't walang expenses, no? Dapat naka-record. Alright, so you have sales invoice. So, you have cost of goods sold of 700. Okay. I will check why it is not part, no? Alright, of the expenses. Dapat kasama siya, no? Okay, publish dapat, no? Alright. So, with this 500 and also we have 100. Alright, so let's see. Dito muna tayo sa trial balance. Alright, so you have accounts payable, cost of goods sold. Yan, office expense of 100 and also depreciation expense of, if you notice class, Your debit here is 1.328 and also we have 1.328 as your credit. Alright, so dapat kasama, no? Let's see. So in terms of the reports, so you have, nalagay sa cost of goods sold. Dapat hindi cost of goods sold, no? It will, okay, I will check for this one, no? So, we'll check for this, no? It should be, dapat our expenses, no? Hindi dapat part of your cost of goods sold, no? It should be part of our expenses. Okay, let's see, ha? Tama, ay, 5, hindi, 500 and 600. Dapat it should be part, okay. We'll check for this, ha? Alright, so dapat part also of your full amount of depreciation and also part of the office expenses, no? Dapat part siya ng ating profit or loss. Okay, so cash flow, wala naman nagbago in terms of our cash, no? We'll check, no? Dapat as part also of the expense, no? Dapat categorize siya, no? Or part siya ng ating profit or loss. So, yun lang naman. Alright, so you have your 500 and 600. So, publish na wala. New expense. So, maybe hindi siya naka-charge, no? Sa ating profit or loss statement. Okay, this one. January 1 to May 4. Okay? So, you have other income. Yan. So, dapat part siya ng ating expense. So, maybe recalculate. Alright, or customer report. Wala, no? Alright, or hide. Alright, so that's it. For me, it is very easy, no? Very easy. Kaya nga, accounting made easy. By the way, no? Also, in terms of your fast tax, so maybe I will have this, no? Sino ba yung mga nasa fast tax? Or what is fast tax? So you can have this fast tax about us, no? So simplify success with fast tax. Okay? So, yan yung particularly for, so parang our platform combines cutting edge technology with intuitive design or providing, users with powerful streamline, no? Particularly your accounting processes. Yan. So, effortless accounting or one-time entry all around, no? So, ito yung ating, yung aming mission, no? Our North Star is a customer. Siyempre, we need to be able to satisfy our customers. Okay? And our biggest tax opportunity. Now, by the way, the CEO and the founder is Jenny Villanueva, no? The student of De La Salle University, Manila. Also, by the way, I am also co-founder. Kaya lang wala pa ako sa website. No, I am their CFO. All right, and co-founder also for this fast tax. So of course, to be able for you to help, particularly for this collaborations, no, with accounting and at the same time accounting software, no, mas madali siya, mas madaling maintindihan, mas maganda, no. Since I am a CPA by profession, we can be able to measure, we can be able to interpret, no, our data. So again, thank you very much and see you all. Bye bye.